Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe. Here, I'm gonna go over. Make sure to subscribe, put your notifications on, you're in my way, so you don't miss any of my videos, and make sure to like, because it's the like button. Let's do a little fox dance. Oh, what? There we go. So, I think I'm gonna... I don't know what animal I want to be. Yeah, the fox is fine. So let's see who's online. No one's online. Wow. So I think we should go to the summer carnival today. So let's go, because I have 9,000 tickets, and I kind of want to spend that because, like, you know, and then maybe we'll go to Fox's Only Party after. Dun, dun, dun. Sorry if you hear loud noises in the back. The TV's on, so I don't know if you guys can hear me right now, but I think we should go on the bouncy castle because, you know, it's a bouncy castle. Now, I'm going to give a shout out today to Bun Bun AJ and her channel because I'm in her pack. So let's just say hi. Hello. Oh, Jello. Okay, Jello. I'm gonna do, I think, this cute smiley face. Oh, it just turned on me right now. Okay. So, we're gonna just do this, I guess. No, I want to go over here to the slide. Alright, I made it. There's literally nothing to do here, so... Oh, let's play a game. Games are so fun. Sure, use some of my stupid gems. Oh, that was terrible. Just terrible. That's a bit better. Okay, or not. Yay, I got 25 gems. Let's do this worst thing. Okay, I'm sick of that. Exit, whatever. So, I don't want to make this, too long. What is this? Grant excess. Sure. No, I won't actually. Alright, so I'm gonna go to, I guess, Bun Bun AJ's den. Not den, like hideout thingy. I don't really want to go on one of those pack run things though. But I just dropped. Camera. So I'm just gonna do some treasure hunts because I'm bored. I got 75 gems. Yay. I got 0 gems and a weird iceberg hat. Alright, I'm pretty bored. I think we should go to Bun Bun AJ's den. AJ's den and see what her den looks like and if she's changed anything. So some people, oh, that's just her pets. I was like, why are people in her den? Okay, so she got a new den. Oh, this is her masterpiece that she did on her video. Make sure to go check out that video. I think it's her art contest. I'm not 1,000% sure though. So she has this cute little den. Oh, I got muddy. Ew. Okay, whatever. Let's go to... Where is it? Who is this? I can't find the person who I'm looking for. Or am I just like blind and it's like the first one? Oh, and also make sure to subscribe to JJ in the house. Oh, here it is. Oh my god. Okay, let's go stalk JJ in the house's den. Oh my. Really? 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 There's nothing here. I'm so impressed. Alright, guys, well, I think that's probably it for today because I don't really want to edit a long video. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Gonna do a little twirly dance and subscribe, and now I have to get off and go cancel it. So, enjoy. And done. Bye, guys. Make sure to subscribe.